Hi, it's Michelle from Gaia's Workshop. Today we're going to do some sound samples on the 10-inch drums we have in stock. 10-inch drums are rather high in timbre because the smaller the drum, the higher the tone, because the sound frequency waves are smaller, and smaller waves make higher tones. So this one here is a reindeer with a wooden handle, pegged in the European style, and here's what this one sounds like. The next one that we have here is a harmonic shamanic horse drum, and here's what this one sounds like. As you can hear, it has different sounds on different parts of the head, just like bigger horse drums do. This one here is a spirit elk drum. This one here is a harmonic shamanic horse drum with a full wrap. This one is also a harmonic shamanic. This one is deer. And this last one is one of our manifestation drums. These are made for kids, for travel, for using at your altar. They're a simple drum that has 9 lacings, a 3-sided handle, and is based on the idea by the power of 3 times 3, as I will, so mote it be. Okay, that's the 10-inch drums we have in stock. Thank you.